Mother Nature. Mother Nature is the wonderful living world that surrounds us every day. She gives us the fresh air we breathe and the clean water we drink. Green trees, tall mountains, and blue oceans are all amazing parts of her. She provides a safe and cozy home for wild animals and colorful birds. Bright flowers and sweet fruits grow because of her wonderful care. The warm sun gives us bright light and energy every single day. Gentle rain falls from the sky to help plants grow tall and strong. We can hear lovely birds singing sweet songs in the morning trees. Nature gives us green parks and soft grass to play on with friends. Spending time outside makes our bodies and minds feel happy and healthy. Animals like lions, monkeys, and fish are all wonderful creatures of nature. Beautiful butterflies fly happily from one lovely flower to another. Mother Nature takes care of us just like our own families do. Sometimes people forget to keep her clean and safe from harm. Throwing plastic trash on the ground makes our earth dirty and sad. We must always keep our local parks, streets, and rivers clean. Planting new green trees helps our planet stay fresh and healthy. Saving water and turning off lights when not needed helps protect the earth. If we love and protect nature, it will take care of us forever. Let us all promise to be good friends and protectors of Mother Nature.